Okay, today we lost our camper keys. So they had a hard time. They don't. You gotta take it apart, and there's numbers in here. They said that you gotta get in order to get a copy of the key. So what I'm gonna do is just swap the lock out. It was $46 total. They gave me a little discount. It said $49. Got from Wichita RV AP products. Looks identical. Eli, calm down. My boy got a new gun here, so we're gonna get this swapped out. Now I'm sure you guys and gals have run across this. I've had 3 sets of camper keys, and they're all missing now. So, looks pretty simple. We'll get her figured out here. Fortunately, it cooled down a little bit. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the numbers on the back of this. I'm gonna get a new set of keys ordered for it, so I'm gonna have a spare lock that I'm gonna put in my lower compartment over here, right down there. That way, when we're on a long trip, we don't have to worry about buying a whole nother lock set. Okay, right there's your map. That's your number key. So there's a set of numbers right there. Can't really read them, but that's fine. I'm sure there's plenty of duplicates out there, but okay, so that piece there will pop off, but I'm gonna give this a good, sure it's kind of painted on. There we go. Pull that guy out. Pop this out if we want a nice new fancy one. Okay, there it is. Put your keys on there. Give you 2 key sets. That just pops on there like that. Pop the new one in. Get that guy lined up there. Guess I should have got the screws all ready to go. At least it wasn't like this afternoon. It was bad. Hot. Oh my Lord. Now, we do need to get that slid up against there. If I had a third hand. Eli, pick that up. There's my third hand. Just gotta get the one started. Kidding me? Okay, so when you do this, you gotta make sure you pull the latch back, pull this latch back, get it engaged. I'm gonna push it over here. So the biggest problem is they don't quite give you good enough, long enough screws. So there's a gasket on there, and I don't want to strip the screws out, but man, just another centimeter. It's right at that. Catch us, but man. Okay, so same screws. But there is a gasket on the other side, so it's that one ain't so bad. So you just kind of go around as that gasket smashes. See how they're getting loose? Give you two different plate covers. This is our factory plate here, or exactly like our factory plate. Okay. Now we can see if the lock works. So I didn't have that all the way. That's just obviously the deadbolt ain't working. Oh, I guess I gotta turn it a little harder. I'm going the wrong way with it. That's gonna need a little lubing up. There you be. All right, there you have it. Thanks for watching, everyone.